How to fix Facebook notifications not working. In today's video guys, I will show you how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first, go and open the settings of your phone, then go directly and open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook now, and then on Facebook you have to scroll down the screen and click on storage. Here you have to go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop. And what you should do right now, go to notifications option, you have to disallow it and allow it again, and after this your problem will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another